Hi, everyone. Thank you for tuning in to learn about our AAA Northeast Bank Department. My name is Melissa Manella, and I've been a member of the AAA family since 1999, with most of my time being spent in a branch or in our road service call center. Once I started working for our bank division during COVID, I began to realize how life-changing our services are. And by the end of this presentation, I'm hoping you'll have a better sense of how we're here to help. So what is AAA Northeast Bank? Well, we can break down our department into three teams who help our members with a variety of financial products. We have our consumer lending division, who specialize in just about anything with a motor in it, mortgage lending when a home is involved, and lastly, student lending, where we help students and their parents prepare for college and beyond. So let's kick it off with our team in consumer lending. In consumer lending, we offer loans for new cars, lease buyouts, and used car purchases. We can also refinance existing car loans or help refill your piggy bank with a reimbursement loan after you purchase a car with your savings. We even offer a car buying service through TrueCar, helping members save even more time and money as they hunt for their dream car. We also sell safety, protection, and most of all, peace of mind with our ancillary products. For example, potholes in the Northeast go hand in hand, and I'm sure we've all hit a curb at least once in our lives. These everyday instances can be an expensive repair, but with our tire and wheel coverage, you can file a claim rather than paying for the repair out of pocket. Not only is the coverage about half the cost of a dealership's plan, but there's even bonus protection for newer cars, covering ding and dant damage as well as key fob replacement. Debt protection is another great investment when purchasing a car. Often when you're buying a vehicle, the cost is higher than its actual value, and it depreciates even more over time. Unfortunately, accidents happen, and insurance companies will only cover the vehicle's value, not how much is left in a loan. This is where gap protection comes into play. Gap protection will pay whatever the remaining balance is on the loan so that you're not stuck with a bill and no vehicle. No one ever likes this scene, but when the unexpected occurs, let our extended warranty plan cover the repairs. Our cost-effective plan offers extended coverage to virtually all mechanical and electronic components after your original warranty expires. And with a dealership's extended warranty plan being as high as $4,500, the AAA bank program, averaging around $2,300, is a much better investment. We can even help when the unexpected occurs to you. With our debt protection, we provide financial protection when a disability, like say a broken leg occurs, or involuntary unemployment, which has been a lifesaver for so many during COVID, and it also covers death. The policy will continue to pay your loan in times of financial crisis, so your credit score is not affected. Our goal is to offer peace of mind during the most trying of times so our members can focus on what really matters in those moments. And consumer lending doesn't stop at cars. We also offer personal loans designed to fit a variety of purposes. Our Discover Deposit program is another great benefit for our members, with rates 5 times the national average. So what does that mean? Well, even though return rates stink right now, ours stink less, earning members 5 times more than if they went to a bank directly. This AAA benefit allows members to earn free money as their investment grows faster over time. And let's face it, who doesn't love free money? Our mortgage division is up next, where we handle new home purchases, refinances, home equity lines of credit, small business loans, and even reverse mortgages. Currently, we are licensed to offer these services in Massachusetts, Connecticut, and Rhode Island. We're still working on New York and New Jersey, so hopefully we'll be able to add those states to our list in the future. So let's start with a little fun with a poll I made up. Which of these dream houses would suit you best? So maybe you chose the mansion in picture C, or maybe you thought about the housekeeping and thought the traditional single family home in picture A was more your style. Or perhaps you thought the little log cabin on the lake was more your fancy, so long as the Wi-Fi was good. Well, playing matchmaker like you just did in your mind is basically how a broker works. We get to know you and figure out which lender and loan program fits you best. We work with multiple lenders and each offer all sorts of different programs, which allow us to match the borrower up with the perfect loan for them. Plus, we receive exclusive perks for being a broker, which we pass down to the borrower. So as you can see here, a borrower can go direct to a bank and perhaps receive the same rate, but they'd be missing out on the extra credit we receive as a broker, which gets trickled down to our members. Once you selected the loan plan that works best for you, nearly a dozen people jump into action, performing different roles to get your file from document submission to clear to close. And as you can imagine, it takes time to juggle all these different people. But at AAA Northeast Bank, we're here to use our strength and experience to put all the pieces together, saving our borrowers time and incredible amounts of money with our broker perks and industry low closing costs. Plus, we've sweetened the deal even more for our AAA employees. AAA Northeast Bank is offering an additional $500 rebate when you close a mortgage loan with us. Small business loans is a new product we offer at AAA Northeast Bank. These loans allow small business owners to access available lines of credit to help their business grow or maybe even expand over time. And when retirement comes around, homeowners 62 or older can do something unique called a reverse mortgage. We work all our lives building assets in preparation for retirement, whether it's a classic car, valuables, or the ever popular 401k. And for many of us, our home is our biggest asset. A reverse mortgage allows homeowners to access the equity their home has built up over the years. So instead of paying a mortgage every month, a bank will pay off the mortgage if there is one. Plus, the homeowner can access additional funds on a lump sum or monthly basis, allowing homeowners to enjoy their retirement without financial stress. AAA has been offering this program for over 20 years with free educational webinars available so members can learn more about this unique program. In our student lending division, our focus is helping members prepare for college, especially how to pay for it. Ideally, financing is obtained in this order: scholarships, followed by federal student aid, and then private student loans, which we can offer exclusively to our members. So which of these activities do you think could lead to a scholarship? Well, the answer is all of these. Star Trek fans can be part of the Starfleet fan club, who offer scholarships worth $1,000 on a yearly basis. Stuck at the prom lets applicants create the ultimate prom wear out of duct tape. There's a combined $20,000 up for grabs to the winners, and anyone above the age of 14 can enter. The National Marble Tournament awards 4 scholarships to marble shooter champions between the ages of 7 and 14 each year. And if you enjoy creative writing and have a vivid imagination, this scholarship might just be for you. Students ages 14 or older can write an essay about surviving a zombie invasion, with the winner receiving $2,000 towards college. So as you can see, you can start planning for college before a student is even old enough to drive. And while we don't handle the application process here, we're able to help point members in the right direction so they can prepare early. So once you've exhausted the scholarship pool, it's time to apply for federal aid, which includes the often confusing and sometimes feared FAFSA form. But don't panic. Don Kerr and Tom O'Hare are the light at the end of the dark tunnel. They're passionate about helping students through these trying processes and working with their members one-on-one to ensure they're prepared for college. Not only can they help with the FAFSA form and offer advice on scholarships, but they can also help students obtain additional funding with private loans as needed. And it doesn't stop when college ends. We're here to help postgraduates consolidate loans too, putting their multiple student loans into one easy payment. So I know this was a lot of information, but the most important fact to keep in mind is that we're here to help our members in every major milestone you can think of with a financial impact. We have countless testimonials from our members thanking us for our life-changing services, and we look forward to helping even more in the future. So now that you know what we do, how can you turn this knowledge into money and prizes? Find us some qualified referrals. When someone is asking about DMV services, why not bring up auto loans? Inquiries about insurance is another great place to look for both auto loan and mortgage leads. And conversations about student driving and student lending can naturally go hand in hand. Plus, that new driver is going to need a car in the future, so feel free to chat it up about auto loans too. So as you can see, there are connections everywhere you turn. And the more times you swing that bat and have conversations, the more often you'll knock this incentive out of the park. So for our first incentive, we're spotlighting auto loan referrals. For every referral you send in that converts into an application, you'll receive $5. And if they close, you'll make even more money. If one or two of your referrals close, you'll earn an additional $15 per loan. If 3 or 4 close, you'll earn an additional $20 per loan. And if you knock this incentive out of the park and 5 or more of your referrals close, you'll get an additional $25 per loan closed. We're currently working on separate contests for both student lending and mortgage leads, so feel free to start taking practice swings so you'll be a pro by the time those contests roll out. So I'm sure you have questions, and I'm hoping you'll be willing to share any and all of them with me. Our goal is to be a resource that helps you in any way we can so that you're successful in cross-selling our services. Remember, I'm only an email or a phone call away, so feel free to reach out anytime. And until I hear from you, thank you so much for listening and helping us spread the word about all the life-changing services we offer here at AAA Northeast Bank. Thank you so much.